monsoon season, this is the festival being celebrated all over Goa, and for that matter, Amita San Juan the Baptist, who basically led the way for Jesus the Saint for baptism, अशे सगळे मानता. As against this background, you know, this festival is celebrated with great religious fervor, and even though it is Saint John the Baptist, people from all communities come together and they like celebrating this festival because you dance in the rain. It is part of our culture, and it shows the care for nature. When it rains, brings down the water, it cools the earth, so everything looks greener. A better environment is built up. Same way in life, I think Saint John the Baptist promotes better life, rejuvenation and happiness all around with good natural beauty for everyone to see, and that is what it should promote. Goa is known for all this as it is, and such festivals bring people together. म्हणून हे खूब आनी खूब महत्वाचें जावन आसा की सगळे लोक हे फेस्ताक एक जातात आनी सगळे आमचे यूथ जे बोगमाळोचे आसात ते फुडें सरून आमचे सगळे पंचायतीचे वांगडी सरपंच आनी बाकीचे सगळे मेळून हे बरें फेस्त हांगा बोगमाळे तेणी घडोवन हाडला. तांकां हांव उनुनीत परबी दिता.
थँक्यू. सांग पासून सांजा वाला
ओके, आयज हांव काळजान दिनवासता सराक कित्याक आयज तो ना जाल्यार हो इव्हेंट केसो जावपाक आमकां भरपूर आदार दिला. इवन आमगे जनरल मॅनेजर MD आमगेली साधना मुकुंदन तेन आमकां भरपूर हो वेन्यू दिला आनी फुल पाकडी. हांव सरा काळजान थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी सदां हांव जाणा तो आमकां सदां हेल्प करतलो आनी आमी सदां पावता म्हणतो. थँक्यू.
आनी स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान आयोजीत केल्लो सांजा वायटच्या दिसा हांगासर सेलिब्रेट करता आनी आमचो सराचो एका भरपूर तेंको मेळ्ळो आसा. त्या निमतान हांगासर सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांक तशा गोंयभरच्या लोकांक सांजा फेस्ताची परबी दिता.
फेस्टिवला बद्दल आनी तेजे बद्दल काय उलयना. सराक हांव मनांतल्यान देव बरो करूं मानता म्हणटा कित्याक हो फेस्टिवल जावं आमकां हातबोट भरपूर दिल्ले आसा सरान. सराचे हे आमकां फुडें सुद्दां जाय आमकां हेल्प आनी आमी सदांच सरा वांगडा आसतले हें हांव जाहीर करता आनी आमी बोकमाळकार स्थान रावतले सरा वांगडा. सो आमकां हेजे फुडें सुद्दां सराचो खूब अधिकार जाय पडटलो बाकीचे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करपाक.
I would say I think it is something very great of all this young youth to keep this tradition alive. You know, it's so important to keep them alive, otherwise all these traditions kind of wear off. And I would say all the best to them, and may they keep, have many more such events happening in the village. And you can see a good crowd, and the rains are also there to give their blessings, so I think that's the best part.
They have always been claiming that you've given them extensive support this time, so how do you look at that, madam?
I feel I always like to do a good deed, and this is something for a good cause. So if I can do it, then why not?
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
This festival is on the 24th of June. Every year it's celebrated. This year we are having it on the 23rd here, organized by the Sports and Cultural Club Boggmalo. And I thank Sir Mervyn Vidino for supporting them, for being with them. He's done this in the past and he's done it again now, and he does it every time. Thank you, sir, for all your support. And this festival is actually not only for Catholics but the entire community of Goa. The different community people get together and celebrate this. So it's actually one of the well celebrated festival in Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.